so I can talk about what's going on here?
Yes, Kyle. What are you doing to this vehicle?
I'm gonna work on it, Jack.
Nice.
So it's getting heads, cam, clutch. Heads, cam, clutch, you know, headers. It's getting a roto pad. 2 front tires and 4 shocks.
Nice.
Front tires, huh?
Yeah, front tires.
Good luck.
What? We taking it over to Firestone.
It's basically, this thing's gonna be like sicker than yours when it's done.
Yeah, it's gonna be real sick. It's gonna be in better shape, I'll tell you that. It's got some sort of electric like engine noise going on, so we didn't baseline it.
Yeah.
To be on the safe side, so I pulled the oil filter off first, see if there's anything alarming in there. But yeah, he replaced every idler and put a new water pump on it, took the AC belt off because he kept thinking it was this and that pulley and that pulley. But alas, it's inside the engine. So that's what we're gonna do.
Nice.
That's what we're gonna do.
Like you got any material in there?
I mean, it literally looks like brand new oil. He probably changed it before he bought it or what happened.
Oh yeah, the dealer or whatever probably changed it, right?
Because he bought it with the noise.
Garrett, how the hell did you get this pipe back far enough? You just royally f***ed me.
You said do what I had to do.
How in the f*** am I supposed to get that pipe on that header now?
Garrett,
It's always my fault.
can you do anything right, Garrett? You can't help him the right way. You can't f***ing...
He says do whatever you gotta do.
Except that. Except make...
Completely missed the exhaust system.
God, what a week it's been.
You know, I was so excited for Eric to be off because I thought I was going to be chilling this week.
Yeah, until you're fixing this fucking issues.
Why don't you get a Caprice?
The only reason I'm getting anything else with another V8 is if it's an SUV. Other than that, it's gonna be a V8. People want stupid money for GMC Yukons and stuff like that, so.
Tell you what they don't want stupid money for is Caprices.
Yeah, because they're stupid.
It's a nice daily, dude.
Why would it be a nice daily?
It's like, it's got an LS in it and shit.
I don't give a shit. I already have the car from LS. I don't need 2 LS's.
Yeah, you did.
I don't.
Why? You never have enough LS's.
You don't even want to keep yours. I don't know what you're talking.
But I'm getting something else with an LS in it.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You're not.
What the f*** you mean? Of course I am.
The trucks you're looking at have LQ4s in them. Not LS's. They're LS based.
It's an LS.
It's LS.
It's still an LS.
That's like the motor on that S-Club. It's not an LT. It's LT based.
It's an LT.
I'm just telling you what to call it. Anyway, I hate f***ing with this side of 5th gens. I must admit.
Your Camaro doesn't have an LS in it.
It certainly does.
It's got an L99.
No, that's automatic.
Oh, really?
If you're a man, you have a manual, it's an LS3.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Your car has an LS3, not an L99.
I know mine's an LS3. Yeah. But wasn't it only the 2010s that could have an L99 in it for the
anything
5th
with
gens?
any automatic 5th gen is an L99.
Really?
Yeah, because it's got the AFM. It's automatic.
Didn't know that.
That's why every automatic we put a cam in, we have to delete it. So we put a new valve cover. Silly goose. Come on, Dave. How do you not know anything?
I don't fucking know.
Yeah, I'm aware you don't
about
know.
5th gens.
It's the same thing as your car.
Those things are turds, you know. Who needs
I
to
watched
know
some
information
video. I
about
watched some
them?
video where some dude's like, some Australian dude. He goes, the frame of 5th gen is just basically it's whatever they call it a GTO in Austria.
I used to know, but I can't think of it.
He's like, oh yeah, they just stole our frame. I was like, GM owns Holden, you f***. So they didn't steal anything, it's theirs. He's like, oh, they just shipped it to the States. I'm like, dude, we get it. You're sad people in America have SS's. You got real butthurt about it.
Dude, they have Utes. They have nothing to complain about. We didn't get that.
Yeah, I love a Ute. I would love a Ute. Yeah, but apparently the 5th gen is just...
God, if I had a bunch of money, dude, I'd be going to that left-hand Utes place and wherever the f that place is, dude, I'd be getting my car converted to a Ute.
Would you go all out and get like a blower sticking out of the hood so you can do burnout contests?
No, I don't think I'm interested in all that.
Those things are
I want it to
sick.
actually be drivable.
Yeah, those things are so much more fun.
Burnouts are cool, but I don't know.
I mean, they have burnout races.
Like I would watch that stuff, but I don't think I would really be that interested in participating in it.
Really?
I'd rather go fast.
You gotta go fast and make some noise.
Yeah. Australians do some cool.
You know, they have cool things are possible when you don't have emissions laws.
Dude, they do sick wheelie competitions too.
Really?
Yeah. Like on drag strips.
Those small ass cars that put big tires on them, and like a giant fucking blower. Like all the cars are really short.
Yeah.
Australians are no fun.
I want to go to Australia. That's on my bucket list.
That thing has a weird noise, didn't it?
It's another reason I opt to do it this way.
Cut that filter.
I already cut the filter open. Someone just changed the oil right before you. Because he bought it like that. And then he hasn't driven it. So then he just dropped it off to us. So he's driven it like once or twice or so. Garrett, be useful and find my pry bar and give it to me.
So unfortunately, we had some kind of error with the camera yesterday. We lost all the footage we had filmed yesterday. This car. So Kyle pulled the old cam out, lifters, put our new cam in, fresh lifters, Frankenstein heads, engine's back in the car clearly, and turns out that the cam chewed up pretty bad. And the lifters, was it one or two of them? It chewed up pretty bad.
One was really bad. One wasn't as bad, but it was evident because it started on a low load. But the cylinder one intake is what that lobe is for, and that's the lifter that was
Gotcha.
chewed up the absolute most.
Very clearly that was the noise that this thing.
Yeah,
Oh.
thankfully it was only that, wasn't something bottom end or
Yeah, yeah.
like that, so.
So hopefully this thing should be golden. Guessing most of the parts that you've taken off this thing have had to get the parts washer treatment.
Yeah.
That's what you're saying. It seemed like you replaced a few things already, so a lot of it was brand new and not dirty.
Yeah, still have pulleys, water pump's good. It's nice and clean, it's brand new.
So you're getting pretty close.
You get pretty close there. Yeah.
So you guys still got the shocks and stuff too.
Yeah. I gotta do the exhaust, the rest of the exhaust, just put the headers up. I didn't feel like cleaning the exhaust earlier today, so after the exhaust, I'll move on to the tires and the shocks. Which will be tomorrow morning's issue. I'm gonna pull this up from real quick here.
All right, 2015 Camaro. We did a full stage 3, so heads cam package on. Our heads cam, engine 7/8 American Racing headers with cats and a Monster LT1S triple clutch, Rotofab air intake. Change the shocks too. And this thing, we don't have a baseline because it came in with a messed up lifter or something in it. So obviously didn't want to risk damaging anything else because they're making a bunch of noise. See what this thing makes. .487, 457 torque. I mean, that tune was pretty spot on too. Timing was dead perfect. Air fuel was pretty damn perfect.
Wasn't as perfect as that other one.
What I mean, it's pretty goddamn perfect.
I'm telling you, that other one was dead on the line the entire way through. How many miles you stick that
92,000. It looks pretty clean. I would not have guessed there was 92,000 miles on it. .494, 461. I don't know if I'll be able to hit 500 on this. I'm gonna try though.
Good option. I mean, if you're confident in what's wrong with the car, confident to lifter, fan thing, get it cheap, bring it here for a head scan, and then get back a perfectly functional car.
Yeah, for maybe the price of like just a good normal car.
Exactly.
Not a bad, yeah, as long as nothing else was fucked up, which it wasn't. He probably made out all right. Okay, let's see if we can hit 498 and then we'll let it cool. 497, 498, somewhere around there. .95, 464 torque. Yeah, it'll make it once I let it cool down. All right, I'm gonna let this thing cool. We'll be right back. All right, cold pull. See if we can hit 500. On the dot and 463. Like I said, we don't know the baseline, but 500 for a head cam LS3, it's pretty badass. This guy should definitely be happy with that. Considering, I guess he never really drove it since he bought it. Messed up. But, anyway, later.